Hey everyone! Today, I'm super excited to unbox and review the KERUI 6MP dual lens security camera system. If you're a homeowner looking to beef up your surveillance game, this one's for you. First things first, let's talk about that 6MP resolution. With dual lenses, each at 3 megapixels, you get incredibly clear and detailed footage. It's like having two cameras for the price of one. Imagine capturing everything from the tiniest details during the day to the clearest images at night, thanks to its smart IR-cut night vision. Non-invasive infrared sensors make sure you get high-def video 24/7. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of connectivity. This system offers both wireless and wired options, so you can choose what works best for your setup. The wireless NVR with Wi-Fi support ensures a stable connection, making it perfect for outdoor surveillance. Plus, with advanced H.265 Plus video compression, your footage is compressed efficiently, saving up to 50% more space without compromising quality. Flexibility is key with this system. You have multiple storage options: cloud, memory card, or hard disk. I recommend using a 2.5-inch HDD for sufficient memory and ease of reading. Installation is a breeze thanks to a variety of mounting options. This makes it super versatile, whether you're securing your home or your business. But wait, there's more. The KERUI system isn't just about capturing footage. It's about intelligent security. It features human detection, allowing you to customize your security functions to meet your specific needs. The dual screen feature lets you monitor two cameras at once, with one fixed and the other PTZ, giving you comprehensive coverage of your property. The user-friendly interface supports 28 languages, so setting up and managing your security system is straightforward no matter where you're from. Whether you want a home security system with no monitoring or a comprehensive setup, this system has got you covered. Alright, that's it for today's review. If you're interested in the KERUI 6MP Full HD 8CH Wireless NVR Security Wi-Fi IP Dual Lens Camera System, check out the buy link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on the latest tech and security systems. See you in the next video.